In this quick video, I'll show you how you can install the latest Visual Studio Code editor on your computer within just 2 or 3 minutes. It will be a very quick video. To install the Visual Studio Code, you need to open a web browser. I opened the Firefox. You can open any of the web browser and search for VSCode and click the first website. Click on the user installer x64 and it will start installing the exe file. So I already installed it, so I'm just pausing this and now open this exe file. Now accept this agreement and continue. Now you can select the file directory, then next and click here to create a desktop icon. Next, install. The Visual Studio Code successfully installed. Click finish and it will open the initial interface of the Visual Studio Code. So this is the initial look of this code, and you can also open this from your desktop. So this is how easily you can install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Now if you want to install XAMPP and install WordPress on your local computer, click on the left video. And if you want to clone any website using ChatGPT or other method, click on the right video. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this for free.